Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay an IRS installment agreement. First, understand that an installment agreement lets you pay your tax debt over time through monthly payments. This option is available if you owe a combined total of $50,000 or less in tax, penalties, and interest. It's a helpful way to manage your tax obligations without facing immediate financial hardship. To set up an installment agreement, you can apply online through the IRS website. This is often the quickest method. Alternatively, you can mail Form 9465, the installment agreement request, to the IRS. Be sure to provide all necessary information accurately. Once submitted, the IRS will review your request and inform you of their decision. The IRS offers several convenient ways to make your installment payments. Many taxpayers choose direct debit, which automatically withdraws funds from your bank account each month. You can also use IRS Direct Pay online or pay with a credit or debit card through a third-party processor. Mailing a check or money order with a payment voucher is another option. To keep your installment agreement active, it's crucial to make every payment on time. Missing payments can lead to a default, and the IRS may take further collection actions. Also, remember to file all future tax returns and pay any new taxes you owe in full by the due date. For more helpful resources and deals, including a great water bottle, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.